Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the Credit Sesame app, exploring its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using to manage your credit score and finances. If you're curious about how Credit Sesame can help you stay on top of your credit, keep watching. The Credit Sesame app offers free credit score monitoring and provides users with access to their TransUnion credit report. Unlike other credit monitoring services, Credit Sesame offers free access to your credit score without any hidden fees or paid plans. It also includes useful features like credit alerts, where you're notified of any significant changes to your credit report. These alerts can help you catch potential issues early, such as fraudulent activity or sudden drops in your credit score. One of the standout features of Credit Sesame is its personalized recommendations for improving your credit. The app analyzes your credit report and provides suggestions on how to improve your score, whether it's by paying off debt, increasing your credit limit, or reducing your credit utilization. Credit Sesame also offers identity theft protection, which can give you peace of mind, knowing your personal information is being monitored for potential security breaches. However, there are a few drawbacks. While the app is free, some of its more advanced features, like additional credit reports or credit score simulations, require a premium subscription. For users who just want basic credit monitoring, this isn't an issue, but the upsell to premium services can be annoying for some. Additionally, Credit Sesame only provides access to your TransUnion report. So if you're looking for a complete picture of your credit across all three bureaus, this may be a limitation. In conclusion, Credit Sesame is a solid, free option for monitoring your credit score, providing valuable tools to improve your credit health. While some features are locked behind a premium plan, the app offers a lot of value for those looking to stay on top of their credit without breaking the bank. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.